Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be testing out the Beachwaver S1 rotating curling iron. So if you want to see how this works, then just keep watching. So this, like I said before, is the Beachwaver S1 ceramic rotating curling iron. This is in a one inch barrel. Let me look up the price. Wow, ouch. Okay. So it looks like on Ulta's website, this is $129 before taxes. I didn't buy this. This is actually my mom's. She bought it and I asked to borrow it because I have a wedding coming up that my bridesmaid had to pull out of, which is understandable because it's a destination wedding and she just couldn't figure out the money situation, so understandable. However, her daughter was going to go with her and do my hair because she's a hairstylist. So I'm going to attempt to use this to figure out to do my hair myself. If I can't figure it out, then I'll find somebody down there to do it, but I figure I might as well try first, right? I don't curl my hair like ever. I have a curling iron where I have this really old curling iron. It is Plugged In as the brand, and I use this occasionally, but this kind of cord, I've had this for so long, this cord just twisted and it's just absolutely terrible and you have no length because of this cord, so I literally never do my hair. So we're gonna try this. I'm a little nervous. So I've already split my hair into two sections and then pulled it to the side. And I did put a heat protectant in it. I have Tresemme Thermal Creations Heat Tamer. So I've already put this in. Whoa, killer. Okay. This feels like it's gonna be a disaster. Do I have my crown? I don't. Mike? Can you bring my tiara up? Thanks. Okay, so should we start in the back? I feel like I like to start in the back. So I read the instructions. I've had it heating. I'm only putting it at 350. It doesn't really say. There's like one tiny little paper in there, and all the paper is like the safety warnings. And then the box itself has a couple like little steps. It just says, open the clamp and secure near the end of the hair. Hold the arrow to start rotating and then release the button to stop rotating. Hold it for 2 to 3 seconds. Open the clamp to remove the curl and then press the home button to reset the clamp. That's all it says. And it tells you, what all the buttons are on the box. But it doesn't have like a recommended temperature or anything like that. So I just left it at the 350. I guess we'll find out. So it does have on the side a fast and slow, and on the box it did say if this is your first time that they recommend the slow setting. It has the arrows to move it, and then the home button to put it back to home. Okay, thanks. So I've shown this in a previous video, but this is my tiara. When I did the test run with her, which the video is still actually up, I figured out with the pictures I needed a center part because of where the tip is on the crown. It made it look like this was lopsided. So I've parted in the middle, which feels weird, but alright, let's just start. I'm blabbering a lot. So let's get a section of hair. Ooh, do we want a big section or a small section? Let's do smaller sections. Alright. So it's so weird doing it backwards in a mirror. Like, I feel like I'm used to the big clamp, so you just start it here. But okay. Can you even see? Sorry. Ooh. Oh, push home. That's right. I always want to just set it down, but if you don't and this is like here, then this doesn't really work very well, so you have to push reset, so it's at the bottom. That's cute. Okay, I'm gonna speed through this so you don't have to just hear me keep going. Oh, that's cute. But it does have the arrows so that you can have each curl be a different direction. So I'm gonna go ahead, like I said, speed through this and watch something on my phone in the process. Okay, so I'm a complete idiot and I stopped recording because it was taking up too much space, and so then I forgot I was recording and I already threw my hair up because it's extremely hot here. I still have the curls in it, but let me go ahead and just throw up some pictures. I was too focused on trying to remember to take pictures to send to my mom to get her opinion, so I forgot. It needs some work, but I think if I practice, I actually might be able to do it myself. So let's talk about the curling wand though. So I think this is really nice. If you use it for a while, I feel like you could get in the habit and it'll be really fast to do your hair. Because this was the first time, it was annoying because every time I'd go like this sometimes would end up being on the back side, like, oh, it's off. But this would end up being over here, so when I would click the clamp, I'd accidentally hit the home button. Jesus, our neighbors are insane. I'd accidentally hit the home button and it would start curling on me while I was like actually just trying to hit the clamp. So that happened quite a bit. So I feel like it's more of a once you get the hang of it, that hopefully shouldn't happen. Other than that though, I actually really like it. It came out with decent curls. The only curls that I don't like is the times that I accidentally hit the home button. They were like really spirally curls, but other than that, yeah, I think it's actually a decent curling wand. Price wise, unless you're gonna curl your hair a lot, I don't think it's worth it. If you're going to curl your hair a lot and just want something that could be quick and easy, then it is really good. But for me, who doesn't curl my hair very often, this part was kind of frustrating, and then like, you know, I'd get done and then I couldn't just set it down. I'd have to like find the home button for wherever this has turned and hit that first before I could set it down. But I think it came out pretty good, and besides this section, after you get used to this, I think it is still really nice then for people who aren't very good with curling your hair, because it just does it on its own. So yeah, that is all I have for this video. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.